দেখো
আজকে একজনকে ডেকেছি, ভাবলাম দেখি ওকে নিয়ে আসি, ঠিক আছে? আমাদের একটু বেশি লোনলিনেস আছিল।
Hi, what's up?
Doing great. I am Utyodas Sharma and I am in the second year of my bachelor's degree, and I am really lucky to be in the group of Future Network.
খুব সন্দেহ হচ্ছে আমার, ঠিক আছে? যাই হোক,
শেষ সন্দেহ
তো
লাখটা নেই, একই, আমার দুজনে একই সন্দেহ ছিল। যাই হোক, we are somehow
space now. I am the founder, please.
Of course.
Credits.
ক্রেডিট দিচ্ছে কিন্তু বাইরে
হাঁটুর জন্য জায়গা।
Credits, my credits. আমার শুধু আইপি, বাকি এরা আমার থেকে অনেক বেটার।
আমার পেটেন্ট চাই।
I know your book বেটা।
আমি কিছু বলছি না।
আচ্ছা, বাই দ্য ওয়ে, পেটেন্ট মানে হচ্ছে ইফ ইউ আর ডুইং সামথিং, দ্য লিগাল রাইট অফ দ্য থিং, মতলব পৃথিবীতে আর যে কোনো জায়গায় যে কেউ তোমার এক্স্যাক্ট সেম আইডিয়াটা যদি কপি করতে চায়, ইটস নট গোনা হ্যাপেন ইফ ইউ হ্যাভ দ্য পেটেন্ট। সো
জাস্ট টেল দেম অ্যাবাউট আইপি অলসো।
Yeah, so patent and IP is more like bhai সম্পর্ক। IP মানে হচ্ছে intellectual property. If it's a thing, you get a patent. If it's an idea or like a concept,
You get an IP.
We are going to talk about some image generation. Okay.
Image generation,
Stable diffusion, Midjourney, and
okay.
It's fine. And I also want to talk about an important topic. It's trading, I would say, rather.
Okay.
Threads.
Oh.
Huh?
I was getting a like
Copy কিভাবে করতে হয়?
I was getting analytics about like the time to get 10 million user base, right?
Yeah.
10 million user base, and it's like GPT took like 5 days.
5 days. Almost 5 days.
And Threads got it in 2 hours. 2 hours.
Okay, কেউ যদি টুইটার ইউজ করে থাকে, then it's a platform to share your opinions, I would say. So it is owned by Elon. Biggest.
দিবিনা মানে কিনেই নেব।
So first of all, it was a public listed company. তারপরে Elon ওটা কিনে নিয়েছে, আর it became a private company.
Public listed company.
Public listed
মানে just stock আছে, মানে it has launched its IPOs.
Yes.
Into the market.
Yeah.
Like first হচ্ছে say investors are, so they are called, I guess, institutional investors. Something. Then the company launch its IPOs and people buy those IPOs, and IPO মানে consider some
IPO you can say is it's a stock but not listed, but
ইনিশিয়াল পাবলিক অফারিং, মানে স্টক লঞ্চ করেনি, স্টক আমি লঞ্চ করব, ফার্স্ট আমি স্টকটা আমার হাত থেকে পাবলিকের কাছে যাবে, দ্যাট ইজ আইপিও। পাবলিকের কাছ থেকে পাবলিকের কাছে যাবে, দ্যাট ইজ স্টক। ওকে,
এটা পাবলিকলি লিস্টেড থাকে,
পাবলিকরা জানছে, একজনের কাছে আরেকজনের কাছে যাচ্ছে, ভ্যালু
সবথেকে বড় পাবলিক লিস্টেড বলতে পারিস হলো রিসেন্টলি নাইকা।
আচ্ছা,
নাইকা। ওকে, লেটস গো ফর কিমার। কত? কিমার 1200 অত বেশি হয় না, অত বেশি হয় না। কেন
হয়? কিন্তু কেন
না, লাইক নরমাল লোড। Go for a normal makeup, okay?
Lipstick. My God.
Oh my God.
You would understand if you have a girlfriend. Your pocket will hurt. And okay.
বুঝতে পারছি তোর এক্সপেরিয়েন্স।
আমরা সবাই বুঝতে পারছি
বুঝতে পারছি।
যাই হোক, কিন্তু I think makeup is a very big business, and Nykaa has cracked a bit of it, and they have used AI in their whole interface, I would say. Everyone is like using the word AI for their own benefit, I would say. Everyone is. We are also. But subscribe to Future Network.
Like in 1 year I saw the shift from DeFi and crypto to AI. Like
हाँ.
Okay,
Huge shift.
it's a big thing, I would say. Like
It's a huge shift in the-
Crypto
in the
companies
market.
are also changing the official names, or
Into
like they are getting owned by
AI.
AI companies, which are also owned by them only.
Them only.
Yeah, like ghost
Exactly,
companies.
like Web3 changed into AI or something, but the hype is same.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
Even I think
because
so.
currently in the world, research, as I'm a
Yeah.
academic person, so I can say Japan, Germany, Russia specifically.
Russia.
Nobody knows it.
No, I don't know. It's
Nobody knows it. Okay, DARPA, Pentagon.
Yeah.
So those guys are working on.
Those of you who don't know DARPA, एक बार बोले थे बस. I think a lot of people don't know what's DARPA.
मतलब DRDO इंडिया का है,
Yeah.
DARPA अमेरिका का,
Yeah.
something like that. Okay. Pentagon ওখানে পৃথিবীর
They
সবচেয়ে
used internet for the first time, I guess. If I'm
Yes,
not wrong.
ARPANET, they made
Ah,
internet.
but-
The
made
ARPANET
that.
was made.
That's what I'm saying. They
They
use
made
it.
that.
They use it. Okay,
Yeah.
they made it. Stupid
They
word.
made
So
that.
They made it.
what I was talking ki these guys are working on digital life, right?
Digital twin or something.
No,
Digital life,
Like
total full
digital.
form life.
मतलब
It's a higher form of AGI, I would say.
it's a AGI which can feel.
Okay, emotions.
Emotions, yeah.
The computer can itself, understand tasks like what need to be done at the environment. Like मतलब सोच लो अगर एक बच्चा है, ठीक है, একটা মানুষের বাচ্চা হোমো স্যাপিয়েন্স ইজ দেয়ার,
Yeah.
এন্ড ও একটা খাবার দেখতে পাচ্ছে,
দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
ওর ওর ইনটুইশনটাই এটা যে ও খাবে, রাইট?
Yes.
কিন্তু এআই কে এত দিন যদি তুই না বলতিস যে খা গিয়ে, এআই খাবে না।
কেন খাবে? ও তো রিকগনাইজ করবে না ওটা।
ওটাই
করবে না, তো-
এজিআই এর পয়েন্টটাই হচ্ছে এটা যে ইট উইল অ্যাক্ট লাইক দ্যাট।
But it's more advanced form of AGI, I would say.
हाँ,
It's a
advanced,
way
yes,
more
exactly.
advanced form of AGI.
But like we know AGI, right? We know a basic concept of AGI.
Basic concept of AGI, yeah.
তার মানে ভাব পেন্টাগনে এখন কি কনসেপ্ট চলছে।
Exactly.
Going to the future of dystopia?
You can say that.
Are we?
Yes,
We can say that. Just brain is there, everything can be replaced. You can be a better version of yourself. And
It can also happen if I'm not wrong. Okay, it's a only speculation. Okay, from like Neuralink, I think if brain is not replaced, if brain is improved, okay,
Brain is improved, and that can be done with not artificial intelligence, that can be done with augmented intelligence.
tell me.
One of the first augmented intelligence device was your calculator.
Okay.
What it helped you? It helped you did the calculations. It just helped you to do some more calculations. But at the end of the day, you had to do the stuff, right? It was not
you had to do the stuff, but
It was
help you.
It's a helping.
It's a tool, right?
So what we are talking about is AGI. If you are talking about AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. What we have right now is narrow AI. मतलब it is concentrated on a specific task, right? You think like when you are talking to GPT, right? तो GPT का जो काम करने का तरीका that is based on mathematics.
Yeah.
And number one is mathematics is there, mathematics and statistics. It's totally depending on probability and those मतलब technical stuff,
Yeah.
right? And the data मतलब जो text तुम दे रहे हो वो text GPT में कैसे encode हो रहा है, that is called amplitude based encoding. मतलब कि GPT is based on neural networks, right? Deep neural networks are बहुत सारे और भी बहुत सारे complicated architectures are there. But the thing is, the single neuron gets a word, and that word is like fires the neuron and gets the value from -255 to +255. right? And that amplitude is getting to the output and some computation is happening. उसके साथ एक multiplier लगा हुआ है जो ट्रेनिंग के दौरान हम ट्यून करते हैं, right? So that's the basic concept of neural networks. अभी AGI में क्या होगा? AGI में ये जो amplitude based encoding है ये काम नहीं कर सकता. Why? Because we are fourth dimensional object.
Yes.
And
We are going for dimensions, I would say.
no, we are fourth dimensional.
We
You
are three-dimensional beings existing in a four-dimensional reality.
Exactly.
Okay.
So if like मतलब if we cannot incorporate
What is the fourth dimensional?
fourth dimension time.
Time. Given time, right?
Exactly.
Time.
You are changing everything in respect to time, right?
Time. Okay.
So that's why.
But aren't we only considering the
3D when you are talking about static things.
things?
You talk about animations.
Yeah.
The sliding bar.
Yeah. Got
That's
it.
the fourth dimension.
Got it.
That is the fourth dimension. So in the neural network we get amplitude modulated coding. तो वो जो वैल्यूज है उसको हम मैथमेटिक्स में डालते हैं, लेकिन व्हाट हैपेंस इन लाइक रियल टाइम, अगर हमको कंप्यूटर्स को फीलिंग देना है तो कंप्यूटर्स को भी फोर्थ डिमेंशनल बनाना पड़ेगा, कंप्यूटर्स का डेटा भी फोर्थ डिमेंशनल बनाना पड़ेगा.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, I'm coming to that. कंप्यूटर्स का एक नया एरा आने वाला है.
Quantum computers?
क्वांटम इज द टेक्नोलॉजी,
Yeah.
बट देयर इज अ आर्किटेक्चर.
Okay.
ये जो आर्किटेक्चर है दिस इज कॉल्ड आर्म आर्किटेक्चर, राइट? आर्म का क्या full form?
Advanced risk machine.
या ओके, रिस्क मतलब वो रिड्यूस इंस्ट्रक्शन
Yeah, reduce instructions.
हाँ
set.
समझ लेते हैं.
Yeah,
तो वो आर्किटेक्चर इज वेरी गुड फॉर फास्ट कंप्यूटेशंस.
but not
But-
for accurate stuff.
No,
not
it
for-
is for only for accurate stuff,
Acha.
but it's not for multiple way of thinking.
You can
Humans
say,
does
you
that.
can say as creative thinking.
Yeah, creative, yeah.
So if I go for creative, then I lose accuracy.
Exactly.
Yeah, you
That's what humans do.
Yeah, you do. Oh,
That what
yeah,
humans
you
do.
So-
Absolutely, you do.
We can
Just think it in a way. We both are thinking our same thing as a different topic, right? We can think money as a power. We can think money as an object, right?
what we can do is we can combine these two.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I'm coming to that only.
Okay, yeah.
The transistor level structures are like arranged in such a way how human brain works, and that specific architecture is called neuromorphic architecture,
Neuromorphic
right?
architecture.
Which we are like working on something like that. We are researching on something like that.
Promotions.
Arey yaar. Not promotion, is more like just talking.
Yeah, that's why subscribe to TFN.
अरे यार बीच बीच में
बीच
ऐसे
बीच
टपक
में-
पड़ेगा तो कैसे बढ़ेगा? ठीक
ऐसे
है.
ऐड आता है ना बीच बीच में, TFN का ऐड आ गया.
अपना ऐड ही इज आवर एमडी.
Okay, let's continue.
हाँ, तो that architecture what it deals with time division encoding, right? मतलब उसमें क्या होता है, छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. There are two types of cells in your retina, right? Rod cell and cone cells, right? Rod what it does कि যে আলোটা আসছে ওই আলোটার ব্রাইটনেস, রড ক্যাপচার্স অনলি দ্য ব্রাইটনেস, অ্যান্ড কোন সেল উইভস ইওর বেনিয়া সহকলা, রাইট? তো বেনিয়া সহকলার
wavelength.
হ্যাঁ ওয়েভলেন্থ,
Wavelength
এক একটা ওয়েভলেন্থে মানে ফর এক্সাম্পল যদি আমি একটু অফ টপিক যদি যাই, টেল মি ওয়াই দ্য রেড সিগন্যাল কালার্ড রেড? বিকজ এটা চোখে লাগে, চোখে লাগে মানে রেড কালার হ্যাভ দ্য লোয়েস্ট ওয়েভলেন্থ এন্ড দ্য হাইয়েস্ট এনার্জি,
Yes.
রাইট? এবার সেই হাইয়েস্ট এনার্জিটা যখন আমার চোখে একটা কেমিক্যালের রিয়াকশন হচ্ছে, দ্যাট রিয়াকশনস গিভ সাম লাইক ডিস্টিংক্ট টাইপ অফ টাইম ডিভিডেন্ট সিগন্যালস. मतलब higher energy is coming, higher frequency is generated inside brain. If blue light is there, lower energy is coming,
Low frequency.
low frequency is generated. So যে মাথার যে নিউরনটা আছে আমার, that neuron, exact same neuron, it is getting a higher frequency signals, मतलब tak 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 tak. This time encoded thing is perceived as red.
Yeah.
Yes.
And যেটা tak 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 tak, এই যে সিগন্যালটা আসছে, this signal, same neuron is perceived like blue. There is a catch. A single neuron can identify different level of information through time encoding, which is not possible in amplitude encoding, right? So that's why our current computation system is lagging behind, and Intel has already launched a project that is like open development, I say. You can apply for research and they will give you the chip or laboratory access where you can get hands-on, right?
And then Google Lab access that one.
No, Google Lab access is not like that. You apply to Intel only.
Okay.
You apply to Intel only.
Okay.
If you are interested in that project, the project name is Loihi Chip 2. Okay. So that chip is based on SNN, which what we call is spiking neural networks. Right. So that spikes are the encoded informations. Right. So this is the next gen of computation, and we can actually apply quantum computers in quantum hardware into that computation architecture to get a like मतलब क्या होगा भाई अपने को भी पता नहीं.
But
The chips are developing so fast, the quantum computing are developing so fast. I don't know what's going to be the future in a year or two.
exactly.
ओके क्वांटम कंप्यूटर बताते मतलब मेरे दिमाग में एक आइडिया है, मतलब आइडिया नहीं, कहीं पर सुना था, कहीं देखा है. ये क्वांटम कंप्यूटर्स आर वेरी गुड एट हैकिंग.
Yes, they can. What are they doing? They are cracking almost maximum number of codes simultaneously together, right?
Exactly.
So
Because
what are they doing? They are reducing the number of like one computer. What they do? They try a combination, then go to the next. Then try a combination, go to the next. What it is doing is it's trying all the combinations together.
because
all
it is possible because a qubit
yeah.
at the same time
At the same
can
time.
exist with the probability of being a 0 and a 1.
And a one. So both are actually working, right?
So exactly, if you take a 8 qubit sequence, it is going to be 2 to the power 8
2 to the power
times faster. Right?
Is you have to unmix the answers, and that can be done with the Fourier transform or something you have learned in college. So you can apply the advanced version of Fourier transform on the signal that came out of quantum computers to unmix the answers. But as I said, you lose a lot of accuracy. So the thing is, you have to focus on how accurately you can put your Fourier algorithm, fast Fourier transform, all that thing. Actually, what Fourier transform does is you get a signal combined with all kinds of signals, right? And you convert it into the frequency domain, and you can simply unmix all the signals, and you basically unmix the signal. It's an unmixing machine, right? So the answer
Reverse mixer.
yeah, reverse mixing.
Yeah, we can say that. এর কথা গল্প বলতে একটা জিনিস মনে পড়লো, এটা হচ্ছে জল বা তেল বা গ্লিসারিন, এই জিনিসগুলো হচ্ছে নিউটনিয়ান ফ্লুইড, রাইট?
Absolutely.
হ্যাঁ, আর কিছু মানে নন নিউটনিয়ান ফ্লুইড যেগুলো আছে, কয়েকটা আছে, যেমন একটা দেখছিলাম ভাই হাতুড়ি মারছে, কিছু হচ্ছে না, বাট আস্তে করে টিকছে.
Cornstarch. If you have cornstarch, you can mix it with water and you can try it.
It's a very weird thing to do. Absolutely. if you try, it's a very weird thing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That is.
Are you guys enjoying? Let us know in the comment.
Yes, please.
They like if we have to do like AI concentrated stuff or just random something
topic.
like knowledge based.
It's not random. It's indirectly connected to AI. So it's a broader base of AI. If
It's
you
a
are
broader base of life, I would say.
yeah.
Because AI is connected to life. What don't you think?
Right now, yeah.
AI is
And
AGI is a life.
I support one thing that Elon has said, that I would say rather Elon Musk, don't mind. So
Sir, please come to TFN.
Please don't try to buy TFN as well.
Okay,
you cannot buy
Yeah,
because we don't like we don't have any legal values, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
exactly.
that's why sponsors.
Sponsors,
Sponsors.
please.
Yeah.
So what I was talking about, कि Elon already said that we are cyborgs, right?
Yes.
अपना
We
तो
are
आधा
cyborgs. We
आधा
are
चीज
cyborgs.
है ही फोन में.
We are cyborgs.
We are cyborgs. And we are using our phone as a media device.
Yeah, something like that.
To
So-
see through the world, right? To see
Yeah.
through the world.
You
are seeing
what,
the world
what,
through
what
the
are you
phone.
doing is you are using technology to enhance your five senses. কোথায় যাবে ছিল আমরা?
TV.
টিভি, হ্যাঁ। So
আচ্ছা তুই বল টিভি কি করে কাজ করে?
টিভি কি করে আবার কাজ করবে?
TV এখন TV ঢুকাচ্ছিস?
আচ্ছা
এখন TV
আচ্ছা
কেন ঢুকবে?
তোমরা কি একটা নাম শুনেছো সিআরটি?
শেষ।
তোমরা কি এটার নাম শুনেছো সিআরটি?
CRT ঢুকাচ্ছিস কেন?
CRT কেন?
জাস্ট আস্কিং.
Just asking. Please give the answer in the comment section, okay? If you know. Please don't try to use Google because you also what you're gonna do.
Subscribe to TFN. আমি জানি এতক্ষণ বোর্ড অলরেডি হয়ে গেছে, আমি এতবার যে TFN বলেছি, কিন্তু প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, ঠিক আছে?
TFN এর মানেটা জানো তো?
কেউ লিখে বসো না যে what is the full form of TFN in
Yeah,
chat.
if you also ask, okay, just ask what is TFN in the comments, okay?
এই আমার হঠাৎ একটা জিনিস মনে পড়লো কমেন্ট বলাতে.
কি?
বিনোদ.
Hi.
আরে no.
I think that was the worst trend in 2021.
2021
আগে,
whatever
আগে, আগে।
কত 2020
Most
COVID time
COVID time 20, that 20.
anything was
Vinod.
trending, right? I saw Instagram profile that was having 1 million followers and there were like
1 million. You are thinking 1 million Instagram. I was thinking 1 million YouTube. Okay,
I mean, see the all the pics, there was the pics of various kinds of shits on pan. Various kinds of shits on various kinds of pans. So many of them.
I think people know what that channel
टीवी
was.
कौन देखता है यार?
People were seeing that.
Yes.
People were scrapping pictures from Google and sending it to Instagram. It was, yeah, shit pictures. pictures that are not shit. Okay, pictures of shit. Okay, potty. Okay, potty. Okay.
Wow,
People were seeing that for 1 million, I guess, and every picture had more than 1 million likes.
Have you
Shit,
heard of
all like that.
have you heard of shit fetish or something?
আমি উঠে চলে যাচ্ছি. কি হচ্ছে?
Yeah.
আমি নেই.
Yeah.
So see, even I think humankind is so complicated. Okay.
Complicated মানে complicated.
Yeah,
If you
I would say not only complicated, it's twisted. I would say.
If you lose accuracy.
I have once tried to work with psycho emotional analysis, right? I saw there was something like a flower kind of structure which says how many feelings a human can have, right? The counting is minimum 24,000. I'm like, इसीलिए लड़कियों को समझना इतना कठिन.
The thing is, I don't know.
अपना तो कोई इमोशन है ही नहीं.
We have only 3 emotions.
If you know the emotions, comment
Yes,
down below.
please comment down
Yeah.
আরে ভাই সবই কমেন্টে বলে দেবে, আমরা কি বলবো?
আমরা এখানে শুধু শুনতে এসেছি আমাদের নিজেদের।
আমরা নাকি শুনতে আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ নিজেদের that's true.
না বলতে হবে না যে why
এখানে বসে করি. হ্যাঁ
এটা ব্লু করে যাবে। Okay, by the way, we changed the location because there were some problems. Okay, I dig the house.
technically
No technical issue বার করে দিয়েছি ক্লাস থেকে, ঠিক আছে? আমার ক্লাসে এসে পড়ছি তাই
মানে
না ভালোই হয়েছে, ওখানে এসি চলছিল না এখানে
এখানে দেখা যাচ্ছে
সেটা বুঝেছি।
Oh, damn, dude.
Yes.
এই জায়গাটা বেস্ট।
ওটাকে দেখে আমি নিজেকে অ্যালাইন করছিলাম বসে বসে।
এই জায়গাটা বেস্ট। এখন আমি খেয়াল করলাম।
বললি না
তোমরা অলরেডি পড়া শুরু করেছো।
না তোর মতো এত
Let's get back to the topic.
Let's get back to humanity যেটা হারিয়ে গেছে.
What is humanity? Please.
I think it's a very difficult thing to
Question.
answer. thing to answer. এই কোয়েশ্চেনটা আনসার করতে we have to see what humans have done from history and are still doing it. ঠিক আছে, maybe from the prehistoric ages about the war, greed, anger. They have emotions.
তাও তো আমরা দুজন জানতাম যে পডকাস্ট হবে, ওকে তো তুলে নিয়ে চলে এসেছি,
কিছু করার নেই।
হ্যাঁ, আর লোনলি ও শুধু আজকে এসেছিল আমার, মানে যে সার্কিটটা কাল 3-4 দিন রাত্রি ধরে বানানো হচ্ছে এই সার্কিটটা ডিবাগ করা হয়নি ডিবাগ করা হয়নি। তো
আমি আসলাম, হঠাৎ করে বললে চলে আয়।
হ্যাঁ দাদা, জানো আলাদা।
প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব টিকে। এতক্ষণে
5 বার আমি কাউন্ট করেছি।
গানারে দিও না প্লিজ আমাকে।
আচ্ছা,
if you want to say anything to us you can comment down, okay, especially to me.
প্লিজ গালাগালিটা কমেন্টে দিও না, মেল করে দিও।
হ্যাঁ, not a problem, মেলটা দেওয়া আছে।
হ্যাঁ,
সব ওপেন আছে, ওপেন আছে।
we are chill,
অত চিল্ড না, তবু ঠিক আছে।
আচ্ছা, কুইক কোয়েশ্চেন, যে খেলে তাকে খেলোয়াড় বলে, আর যে সব কিছু জানে তাকে কি বলা উচিত?
Absolutely, I think that's
let's come to a point. I was having a discussion yesterday with one of my co-worker. His name is Vishal. Okay, Vishal Devra. So
hi Vishal, please comment down below.
So what we are talking about, that one of our project deals with brain stuff, right? So you can get the details. You just search in the like website. We'll having our details of like what is the project about.
If you want to know the link, we'll give the link down below.
Yeah, the link is there. So I was having a discussion, very very logical discussion, I would say. Like when a human child is born, right now everybody is working on templates, right?
Absolutely.
Everybody is working on templates. So when a human child is born,
a
that is a template. That is a damn template, right? And that
Classify as that? Yeah.
You can-
On a
you
very
can
basic
consider-
level, it's a template.
it's a template,
It's a template.
and the template's template is called gene.
Okay.
That's a gene.
You can also tell that a human being is a blank trained model.
Blank? No, not trained. It's more like a exported model.
Exported model.
Exported model.
Like I did machine learning on MATLAB. So what we generally do is we first train the model, and then we have two options. Either you can train the function that has been created, or either you can export the function that has been created and trained. The fine tuning has been done on the function, and you can export that, or you can export the function with the data itself. So what human beings are, the fine-tuned version of the function.
Only the model.
No data is there. No data is there,
Okay.
but the fine-tuning is there.
In the perspective of Python,
I have a
pickle.
question. Do you think, since we're going to a child, right? We're going back to a child? Newborn would be a perfect one. Okay. So if you are going to a newborn, do you think the newborn is already has some data set? Pre-trained data set?
No. It's hardwired. It's not in the software.
Do you think that?
I am not thinking.
Look,
it's
the
there.
difference is kind of like this. Consider a spider, okay? It had the data of how to make a web. It doesn't go and learn how to make a web.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
It's hardwired.
It means that the data is there with the model of the spider.
It's not like a data.
It's
You would say it's feature.
the feature is already there in the model.
Inbuilt feature.
Inbuilt feature.
Like এদিকে ট্যাগটা মারলে ওদিকে টক করে
Exactly.
Yeah, we can't actually describe what that is probably. That is not a feature. We can't even specify that is a feature.
No,
Right?
it's not
How
a
can we
feature.
specify that is a
Information.
feature? What is a feature? Feature means that is we have
That
to
is a
make it,
feature.
right? We have to make it. A feature is made.
What about the term information? It has the information of how to make.
Yeah. We can't say a feature is made somehow, right? Feature is manufactured.
That
In-
feature is
Yeah,
also
but
like,
that is already given to the child.
it's more like characteristics.
Characteristics. It can be characteristics. Yeah.
Which is hardwired actually.
Yeah,
খিদে পেলে কাঁদবে.
খিদে পেলে
That is
কাঁদবে.
reflex. that is not here. It's in your spinal cord, right? খিদে পেলে কাজ লাগে, that's in your spinal cord.
Those are hardware, but how you use those informations, that is the learning.
হ্যাঁ, তো যে কথাটা হচ্ছিল সেটা হচ্ছে যে the baby is a matlab like template and the environment is the data. Like
Of course.
the baby have a certain amount of capability of like भाई मेरे को बिजनेसमैन बनना है, भाई मेरे को जॉब परस्यूअर बनना है, या मेरे को कूली बनना है. ये तीनों काम वो ह्यूमन बॉडी कैन डू, बट द एनवायरनमेंट एंड द डेटा इट लर्न्स, इट टीचेस कि भाई तेरे को ये करना है, तेरे को वो करना है.
One eternity later.
হয়ে গেছে থ্যাংক ইউ বলে দিই এটা তো
Thanks, টাটা, বাই বাই, যাও পড়ো.
You can now enjoy your life.
যাই
আমার
ওকে
সন্দেহ
ডান
আছে।
ডান 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 আমাকেই দেখো ডান আমাকেই দেখো
আরে
আমাকেই দেখো
আমার সন্দেহ আছে
আমাকেই দেখো
কতজন এতক্ষণ টিকে আছে.
হ্যাঁ ওকে
Exactly, তাই জন্য আমি বলছি।
Guys.
ছেড়ে দিলাম না।
গাইস যদি এখন থেকে থাকো ঠিক আছে তাহলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো আর কমেন্ট করে বলো যদি তোমরা যদি আমাদের সঙ্গে নেক্সট টাইম পডকাস্টে আসতে চাও, ঠিক আছে? দিস আর দ্য ইডিয়টস আই এম ওয়ার্কিং উইথ।
এই 3 নম্বরটা, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
deny that? Did I deny? Okay. যাই হোক, please subscribe and let us know how did you like the podcast and
how did you like? ও এক্সপেক্টই করিনি যে লাইক করতে পারবে.
to be honest has what to say. যাই হোক,
That's optimism, that's good.
যদি পছন্দ করে থাকো প্লিজ কমেন্ট করো আর আমাদের বলো যে কি তোমরা কি নতুন দেখতে চাও। এইগুলো সব কাট হলো, ঠিক আছে? এগুলো যদি কাট না হয় আমি থ্যাংক ইউ বলতে যাচ্ছি না। যাই বাই।